Roxy the bunny, cheerful and bright, plans a holiday week full of delight. She's got activities planned for each day. With friends Benny and Bella, there's work, fun, and play. On Monday, she stretches and lets out a yawn. The start of the holiday. Let's get things on. Roxy sits down with paper and pen, planning adventures again and again. Roxy smiles and hops with glee. Her week of fun is planned perfectly. On Tuesday, it's a gardening chore. Benny and Bella help Roxy with raking leaves, weeding, and so much more. They work together in the garden, so green and bright, planting seeds and watering them just right. Now it's Wednesday, halfway through, Roxy's in the kitchen with a task to do. She's baking cupcakes, so sweet and neat, with frosting and sprinkles, a delicious treat. On Thursday, she skips to Benny and Bella's place with cupcakes in hand and a smile on her face. They all sit down, enjoying the treat. Cupcakes are one of my favorite things to eat. Friday is here! Hooray! Friendship rocks. They paint rocks with colors so bright, beautiful patterns. Oh, what a sight. Saturday is here and it's off to the beach. Surfing the waves, they laugh and screech. They surf the waves and enjoy the sun. Saturday's adventure is oh so much fun. It's Sunday, a day for rest. Relaxing in the garden, they feel truly blessed. In the garden, there is calmness in the air. Soft music playing and giggles of laughter they share. What a fun week full of cheer. Now let's sing the days we hold dear. Can you sing along to 7 days, one happy song?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, come join the fun. 7 days of laughter, one by one. From Monday to Sunday, we'll sing along. Let's celebrate each day with a happy song. Monday brings the brand new start. Tuesday keeps us going strong. Wednesday, we're halfway there. Thursday, we just can't go wrong. Friday brings the weekend cheer. Saturday, we're in the clear. Sunday is the rest we need. Then back to Monday we proceed. Days of the week, come join the fun. 7 days of laughter, one by one. From Monday to Sunday, we'll sing along. Let's celebrate each day with a happy song.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Whispering Willow Kids channel for more learning adventures.